Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox the Dierya Falcon mouse. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys is we have a different product here. We appreciate Dierya for sending this mouse to us. Yes, and I'm going to put the link in the description box guys if you're interested to check their store. We have here the Dierya Falcon mouse, so we're going to unbox it first. Alright. So here is the Dierya Falcon mouse. Okay, so this is the box guys, so it's pretty straightforward. As you can see on the right, there is the honeycomb Falcon mouse here, and on the sides we have here electronic competition mouse from Dierya, and on the lower left there is some specifications. There's a Falcon branding on the lower part. Okay, and on the sides we have here the Dierya branding. Yes, and at the back, so you have here the specifications. So Dierya Falcon, then the mouse type, it's gaming mouse. So the length is 123 millimeters, width is 67 millimeters. Alright, and then we also have here the interface, which is in USB. Image sensor is 3389, acceleration is 50G, and the high speed motion detection is 400 IPS. Alright, then we have here the pulling rate, which is 1000 Hz. Left and right switch, one switches, and the LED is RGB LED effects. Cable is 1.5 meters, and the power supply is 5 volts. Alright, so we have here key functions: left button, right button, wheel button, forward button, backward button, DPI button, and then this is applicable for Windows 7, 8, 10, Vista, and Windows XP. Alright, so now let's open the box guys. Right, so here is the Dierya branding. Alright, so we have here the manual, Dierya Falcon mouse manual. We have here the manual guys, so if you want the detailed specifications then you can check here. Alright, and here is our Dierya Falcon mouse. So this is the DPI button, the wheel, as you can see, it looks like really like a honeycomb. Yes, and on the left you have here some rubber pad. This is for comfort, for your grip, and we have here the forward button and also the backward button. And on the right there's nothing here, and at the back so you have here the sensors. Here are the rubbers for control. Alright, and it measures guys 1.5 meters, and I'm gonna check this one guys using our computer, and let's see what it looks like. So far guys, our Dierya Falcon mouse, it's really doing its job, and I'm gonna test this one and I will let you know my full review of the Dierya Falcon mouse after a week. Alright, so if you have any questions guys about the Dierya Falcon mouse, just comment down below, and then I put the link on the description box for you to check their shop. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I will see you on our next video.